Good day, everyone. Welcome to this lecture on database management systems. In today's video, I'll guide you through the practical side of working with databases. We'll start from the basics, installing our tools, accessing phpMyAdmin, and later we'll connect these to the database design we created for our normalization activity. This is a hands-on lecture, so I encourage you to follow along. To work with databases, in our course, we will be using XAMPP. XAMPP is an open source software package that provides us with Apache, PHP, and MySQL, all bundled together. For our purpose, the most important components is MySQL database management system, which we will be using through phpMyAdmin. Let's start download XAMPP from the official Apache Friends website. So you can open your Chrome, search XAMPP, and hit enter. And you see this the first website appears that is for apachepress.org. That is the official website for XAMPP. So here we can see that there are three buttons in order for us to download XAMPP. So XAMPP is intended for cross-platform compatibility that can run from Windows, Linux, or OS X. So in our case, most of us are using Windows. So that's why we are going to download some for Windows. So click on this button and wait for a few minutes to start the download. Okay, so if you can see right now here, the download starts now. So I will not wait for that because I already downloaded it some installers a while ago. So all we need to do is to start now our installation. So we will double click this one and there is a USA notification. So you'll just click yes button for us to continue. Another warning from the USA controls. So all we need to do is for now is to click OK button. Now we can now start installing the SAMP. Okay, so start stays here. Welcome to SAMP Setup Wizard. So all we need to do is to click this button. Okay, then on the select components, all the necessary components that we need for exam is already checked. So next thing is just click next. On the select folder, make sure to check if this drive is empty, like on the not drive but folder. So that means we will go to drive C and look for a sum folder. If there is already there, please remove it so that you can have conflict later. So now go to your file explorer and go to this PC and go to drive C. If there is no sump here, you are good to go. But if there is sump here, you need to delete it. Okay. So now, since we don't have sump on the drive C, we can just click next and just under the language, set English, click next, and ready to install, click next. Okay, so in that case, you will get to go, wait for the installation to finish. But in our side, I already downloaded and installed it on my computer. If you can check on my drive D, I already have my SAMP. Okay, so the exact thing what we are going to finish on your drive C. So for now, we can just directly um, go to this my previous SAMP install so that we can save time. So on your SAMP directory, we have a bunch of folders that there, but we need to focus only for now of one file, which is the SAMP control panel. So double click on that, and this is your SAMP control panel. So here you can switch, start, or stop some services. The only services that we need is only the Apache and MySQL. So all we need to do is to start it so that we can now use the service for Apache and start for MySQL so that we can start use also services from MySQL. So once it is start now, all we need to do is to access our phpMyAdmin. Okay, so let's visit phpMyAdmin. To do that, open Chrome, okay, and then the address bar, just type localhost slash phpMyAdmin. Okay, so type everything. Do not also you click all the suggestions here because sometimes you will go to the net or to the um, search engine of the Google. So just type localhost slash phpMyAdmin. So phpMyAdmin is a web-based interface that allows us to interact with MySQL databases. Instead of writing SQL commands directly in the terminal, phpMyAdmin makes it easier for the developers and beginners to manage their databases using graphical interface. Here we can create databases on the left side, also on this toolbar. Um, this will be also our environment to translate our normalized scheme into actual working database. In our previous free activity, we normalize a student management system database from a normalized form to the third normal form, starting from a student load slip. In the next video, I will show you how to actually create those tables in phpMyAdmin, and later will be practice DDL, the data definition language commands, and DML, data manipulation language commands, so we can see how data is stored, retrieved, and managed. There. So thank you for watching. Make sure you have some installed in the PHP admin running, so you'll be ready for the next session. See you on the next video.